Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery, BCDR. Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery, BCDR, is a term used to describe the efforts and strategies that organizations use to ensure the availability and integrity of their critical functions and processes in the event of a disruption or disaster. Business continuity and disaster recovery involves both business continuity planning, which focuses on maintaining operations in the face of a disruption, and disaster recovery planning, which focuses on restoring operations after a disruption. Business continuity planning involves identifying the critical functions and processes of an organization, and developing strategies to ensure that these functions and processes can continue to be carried out in the event of a disruption. This may involve developing backup plans, establishing contingency arrangements, and implementing measures to minimize the impact of a disruption. Disaster recovery planning involves developing and implementing strategies to restore operations after a disruption. This may involve things like establishing recovery sites, developing recovery plans, and implementing measures to ensure the availability of essential resources and systems. Overall, business continuity and disaster recovery is an important aspect of risk management, and involves developing and implementing strategies to ensure the availability and integrity of an organization's critical functions and processes in the face of disruptions or disasters.